Hello and welcome at Gemvision. Welcome at our webinar. Good to have you all here online, and I look forward to, in the coming 30 minutes, show you some of the new features in Gemvision. If you want more elaborate information about Gemvision, about the generic features and how they work, we have an online academy. You can visit it at academy.gemvision.io. You need to separately sign up for this, of course. And there you can find loads of videos. It's a video tutorial, an academy. So welcome. Let's get started. We only have 30 minutes and we have quite a few things to show. And I will share some of my screens with you. So let's hop on to the agenda of today. The current release is version 2.8.1.0. And some of the things I'm going to show to you today. We've divided it into several sections. First of all, the web portal. Afterwards, the apps, then the smart glasses, and then something, a combination of everything. So I will be starting with the web portal. I will be showing the new inline tutorial. I will be showing the new views of stored media in the web portal. We have various ways to more easily find back your information, the photos that you took, the videos that you made. We also have a new layout of activities overview in the portal. So based on a date and a time, you can easily browse back to the call or to the specific workflow that has been performed. We have some functionality on the main dashboard, missed calls and an absence function. In our personal media settings, you're able to set some personal stuff to make Gemvision more personalized. I will be showing it to you as well. And a special feature is how you can watch over the shoulder of a smart glasses when you are not a Gemvision user. So someone who has Gemvision installed on their smart glasses can invite a person that does not have an account in Gemvision to watch over their shoulder, and that's possible. I will be showing that from the web portal, and I will be showing this from the apps, and then later on, of course, you will also see it from the smart glasses, how we organize it. But I think by that time, you've already seen it 3 times. So let's get started first with the web portal and the new inline tutorial. So I will take you with me to the MacBook in this case with my laptop in front of me. So I'm going to share that screen with you. So we just dove right into the Chrome browser on my MacBook, and via the normal website I log into Gemvision. I type sign in. I fill in my username, my password, and I simply say sign in. I can already choose a language right here, as you can see. English is okay, seems, for today. And I'm going to sign in. And while I sign in, as you can see, we get an inline tutorial. And there's a welcome page, and there are 15 slides that explain all kinds of stuff about Gemvision. I will skip it for now. I can ask it not to show it again next time. If I wanted to see it next time, then I simply don't select it and push save. In this case, I've seen it already. So I'm going to skip it. The inline tutorial. This is on top of the Academy. This is on top of the quick start guide in PDF that you can download via our website as well. And this is on top of the web manual that we are currently creating, that will also be showing the latest features, and we're more easily able to keep that one up to date. So working on that is a little bit of a summer project, of course. Okay, new inline tutorial, check. New views of stored media in the web portal. So back to the web portal we go. We are logged in, and as you can see, I am an administrator and I see everyone in my system. I also see a lot of people that are offline, of course. I can see all the groups, and this is because I am an administrator. Also, as an administrator, I'm able to see all the data, and a regular user can log in into the app or to the smart glasses, but they can also, with the same account, log in into the web portal, but they will not be able to see everybody's data. They can only see their own data. Of course, very important with regards to privacy. But I'm going to show you the new views of stored media in the web portal. For this, I click on, for example, Engineer Glass. I will click on Media. And here it is. We have a new layout of the stored media. Some images made during a video call at a particular date, at a particular time. And when I click on this, I see the media. I can download the image or I can delete the image. And I can also see who took that particular picture. So you can browse through all the media down here and you can go on to next pages, etc., etc. Very easy to use. There's also a new layout of activities in the portal. So the activities can be found in the same section in activity history. It's loading the activity history, and based on the date and time, and to show you the time, because I'm now in a webinar, I increase the size of this screen a little bit. So if I make it a little bit smaller just now, you can see that there's also a date here and a time here and some filters. So you can filter out the things you want to see and you don't want to see. Because this is an activity history, it can become a big list, of course. So I'll make it bigger again. And for example, some calls have been made. If I click on the call, then I can see who did do the call, and I can even download the call report. If I click on download call report, as you can see here at the bottom left, it generates the PDF. If I click on it, it opens the PDF. The same applies to workflows, for example. If I click on a workflow, I can see that there's media shared. I can also immediately click on the media and see the media that was recorded and stored during that workflow. And of course, I can also click on download report. Let me go to this side a little bit. Let me see. Oh, it's the other way around. There it is. Download workflow report. And if I click on it, it will be downloaded. So really, really handy. For administrators only, we have on the right hand top a menu. And for the administrators, it contains a little bit more. I have to decrease the size a little bit. Otherwise, the menu looks a little bit strange. There is a button called Reports. If I click on Reports, you get an overview of all the reports that are in the system. And here, when you push download, you download the respective workflow. Click on it, click, it will be downloaded. And you can download and look at the PDF file. Really, really handy. Let's go back to the topics. Missed calls and absence function. Also from the web portal. So I will hop back to the web portal in the browser again. And here I have a bell button, and this bell button will display whether I have a missed call. So what I'm going to do, I have an iPhone in my hands right here with Gemvision on it. So I'm going to give myself a call. Senior Engineer Office. I'm calling, but I will be hanging up. And at that moment, as you can see, there's a button. And if I click on it, it opens the nurse mobile who just have been calling. And I'm calling back. Hey, I'm receiving a call. As you can see, I'm receiving a call from, it looks like Brad Pitt. I don't know what's going on, but I will reject it. No, don't want to speak to Brad Pitt. Okay, so this is the missed call function. All the way on top, we also have a available and not available button. This is a manual button, so manually you can put yourself to busy. Let's look at the next topic. Extended personal media settings. Yeah, you can personalize Gemvision. And let's have a look how to do that. Again, we go to the main menu. If you want to go back to the main page, by the way, you just click on the name of your environment and then you're immediately back. To change your personal settings, you go to this little icon right here next to the language selector. I click on it and I click on Edit Profile. And in edit profile, I can add a lot of stuff. I can change my profile picture just by clicking on it, and then you can upload a new picture and save it. This is your username, or at least your first name, last name. And this is your specialist, your special information that you can add. So if you look at specialist, it's displayed right here, specialist. So you can change it. If needed, you can put your mobile phone number in it. Yeah, an additional way of contact information. Or you can specialist zorg, like this, and I say save changes. And it saves the changes and refreshes my page. So some personal settings which can be really handy, because in the mobile phone, and which I have in my hand right here. So if I look into the mobile phone, I can see the icons and stuff like that. Yeah, it's really, really easy. If I scroll down to media settings, special tab, I click on it, media settings. And here you can see I'm in front of a green screen. And here I can test my microphone, I can change my camera, I can change my microphone, and I can change these settings. Of course, prior to accepting a call, for example, if you go into a conference call, you can still change it. And also during a call, you can change it. But you can set it up by default. So when you have multiple cameras or multiple screens and stuff like that. It's really, really easy. You can also test your network compatibility to test whether you can use Gemvision easily. You can generate a test link. Welcome to the Gemvision webpage, and you can start your report right here. And then if everything is green, then everything should be well, and you can do your calls, and you can even download the report. So if there are issues, if there are red boxes here, then you should download the report and send it to it@gemvision.io and or share it with your IT department. And we can set up a call and always have a look at it, what we can change or discuss, because we need to have some ports open to have good calls, of course. If you go down, there are some security settings. You can set up your two-factor authentication, or you can use Google Sign In to sign into your account. We are working on Microsoft Active Directory integration. So that means that you can integrate your Teams users also into Gemvision, and the teams that you created, the groups that you created in Teams as well. So this will be released very soon. So the Microsoft Active Directory integration. And here we have the setting of the guided tutorial, whether or not you want to see the guided tutorial again. And you can change it also manually right here. Personalized settings to make Gemvision a little bit more personal. The last one for the web portal is to watch over the shoulder of a smart glasses as a guest. So someone with smart glasses on their head, with Gemvision of course on it, is starting a call, but wants to invite someone who is sitting maybe at a desk, but that person doesn't have Gemvision. But still you're able to invite that person to the call. So I have my my actor right here. It has the smart glasses on its head, and let's start such a call. So we've started the smart glasses. As you can see, I'm in Gemvision in video call camera workflow. You can see all the functions right here, but I will go to create guest call because I want someone to look over my shoulder that does not have Gemvision. So I go to create guest call. I click on create guest call, and as you can see, there is a number right here. This number I can insert in a web page. I can insert in a web page for a person that doesn't have a Gemvision account. So let's go and see where they can fill it in. They also go to sign in, but they cannot sign in because they don't have a username password. So they click on join smart glasses call. And here I can enter that number. So I'm going to enter that number. 138423. How do you get that number to the other person? Well, you can send a text message or call the other person. That's the easiest way to do it, or send it by mail. And here we can join the call that we will be starting right here. So I'm starting the call. I'm joining the meeting. I'm waiting for other users to join the call. which I will do. Join call. And here we are. As you can see, I'm in front of a green screen. I will mute myself and I will join the meeting. And immediately I am in this particular conference call. There he is. There he is. As you can see. So this is on the left-hand side. This is the live view of my camera. I can pin it to make it bigger. So now I really have a good view. Really have a good view. Oh. Uh-oh. He will not like that. Sorry. So there we are. So this is how easy it is to invite a guest to such a call. On to the next topic, I would say. And the next topic would be, let me see. And we go to the mobile apps. We go to the Wi-Fi QR code generator for smart glasses. As you know, if you want to connect your smart glasses to Wi-Fi, usually when you want to connect to Wi-Fi, to a network, you have to fill in all kinds of credentials. And it can be quite difficult to touch the buttons and to go through the whole alphabet and fill all the numbers and letters. So you can create a QR code for it. And that QR code you can simply scan with the scanner of the smart glasses. Creating that QR code is really easy. You can do it with the Gemvision app. Simply download the Gemvision app. I'm getting my iPhone right here. I'll make it a little bit smaller. My screen share. Yeah, there it is. My iPhone, and I click on Gemvision. Just like that. And I scroll all the way down to Wi-Fi QR code. I click on Wi-Fi QR code. Here I can fill in the Wi-Fi name. Test. Oh, no, test. I can select remember me, of course, and I say create a QR code. And it creates a QR code. This QR code you can scan with your Vuzix smart glasses with the scanner. I will not do it actually, but if you click on scanner, it opens the scanner. And if I'm now pointed towards this QR code, it will scan the QR code and will connect to the network using the credentials that we've generated in that QR code. So this is how simple that is. So the next topic is the Smart Glass Controller mode. We've already done a complete webinar on it, so I'll keep it short. But just as a short reminder, the Smart Glasses Controller mode allow you to operate your smart glasses using your mobile device. And one of the additional advantages is that you do not need to log in on your smart glasses again. You only need to log in on your mobile phone. So for this, I have the smart glasses and I have the mobile phone. I don't want to be logged in on the smart glasses because there's no need for it. So I will just log out and wait. And if you want to log in into Gemvision, then it says scan a QR code, but we're going to scan QR code. So let's go back to the mobile phone in this case and activate the Smart Glass Controller mode. On Apple phones, there is a menu icon right here. And on Android phones, there's an arrow right there. I'm on an iPhone. So I click this button and I can select the Smart Glass Controller mode, which I will do. It's now in Smart Glass Controller mode. And anything that I do will result in a QR code. So if I press video call and there we are. The senior engineer office is online. I will push the senior engineer office and it creates the QR code. This QR code I'm going to scan with the smart glasses. So here it is, my friend. I click on scan QR code. I'm going to point towards the QR code and we're logging in and we make the call. I can pick up the call and we're in the middle of a live call. When I hang up from the dashboard, for example, click, you're immediately logged out as well. So also from a safety privacy point of view, it can be quite handy to combine the smart glasses with the smart glass controller function, because you're immediately logged out and you don't need to log in anymore on the smart glasses. So that's the smart glasses controller modes. We've got a separate webinar for that already. Also, from the app side, you're able to watch over the shoulder of the smart glasses. The only thing you need for this is the app. You can download it in the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. And then this person with only the downloaded app, no account, still can join a smart glasses call. So let's do it. So here we have the smart glasses again. And as you can see, I'm not logged in yet. So I am going to generate a QR code because that's the easiest way to log in. By the way, I can also use my mobile phone for this. So I will be doing that. Let's put them in the same order. And it says login on glasses. Sounds good. Login on glasses. I'm going to fill in something. Login on glasses, and it creates a QR code. The QR code I'm going to scan again. Keep it there and just put my phone in front of it. There it is. And I am logged in. So also very, very nice. I'm not logged in on the mobile phone, as you can see. I just used it to create a QR code. Also very handy. I'm going to invite also this mobile phone to this call. So I have the glasses on my head. Create a guest call. This is the number. All the way at the bottom. Join conference as a guest. So I'm going to push that. And put in 688566788. I'm going to start the call on the glasses. Join the meeting. Wait for users to join as well. And I'm going to mute myself and start the call. I'm in the call with the phone and the glasses, and it's really, really easy to see. And we can hang up, of course, which I will do. I will hang this one up as well and hang it up. And we're back and ready to move on to the next topic, which is on the smart glasses to invite a non-registered user. But I don't have to show you this because we already did, because it's this little button and then you can just join that particular call. Very simple. Last but certainly not least, we have the multi-conference where on any device you can join a conference call. It's technically built from the ground up again. And you're able to join one call with 15 people, 15 people in one call. You can choose which devices you want to join. You can have 5 smart glasses in the call, 4 on a laptop, 3 on an iPad. It really doesn't matter. And we have the possibility to also screen share, which gives you all kinds of really nice possibilities. And I'm going to demonstrate it to you. So here we go. So to show you the multi-conference, I've put on my smart glasses, I've mounted them on the helmet, and I've attached them using the easy to use helmet clips. And we're going to join the call, the multi-conference call. The easiest way to do it is via our MacBook. So I'm logged into the web browser, and I'm going to join a conference call that's already going on. But you can also create your own conference call, of course. You can create your own room. You can fill in your room subject. You can even schedule it later and make it recurring or non-recurring, up to you. And you can invite people here. And then if you create, then an invitation will be sent to your email, which you can accept. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to join an existing room. Just like that. Click on it. I can tweak the camera settings and the audio before I join the meeting. Of course, I will turn myself off again here. Mute myself and join that meeting. So I'm now in that meeting, and as you can see, there are 2 other cameras in the meeting. One of them is looking outside of my office, which is all the way on the left-hand corner. And the other one is a computer that is attached to a heart rate monitor and is screen sharing at the moment. And this is me. This is not the smart glasses user. Basically, this is my laptop. So I'm sitting behind my laptop right now. And from this area, I can do some stuff. But first, before I'm going to show you this, I'm going to invite the smart glasses as well to the call. So for this, I'm going to do plus, and I'm going to say, okay, invite the engineer glass. And I'm going to add the selected users. What's now happening on the glasses is I get an invitation to join the call. I simply join the call, join the meeting, and there we are. This is now empty, because normally it would show you the user that is talking, but we're now in one room and otherwise it is way too much noise. On the MacBook, it looks like this. And here you can have some overview of the IT stuff that's in front of me to do the things that I'm doing. And I can select certain videos, which I'm doing right now. And I can select my my camera. There he is again. He's everywhere, as you can see. This is the camera. So I can be my own director of my own movie. And I can even invite another one on my mobile phone. And I can also show you that one all the way on the right hand side. There it is. It also gets an invitation. I push accept. I'll mute it and start. And it will be added to the room. And all the screens are appearing, as you can see. How cool is that? And now we are with 5 people in one room, and I can decide whom I will be focusing on. It's really, really that simple. I too can screen share, which I will not do, but you click on this button, you choose something to share, like another window or a Chrome tab. You can minimize the screen. If you click on this button, it will make this screen a little bit smaller. You can continue to work. As you can see, a lot of people are in one call. I'll open it up. I can add people, but I've already done that several times. And I also can put it into active speaker mode, and it's now displaying me, because me, the smart glasses, are the loudest, so to say. Also, I'm also able to select a picture, press on it, and then draw on it. And then the other people are now seeing the drawing, which I will show you on the right hand side. Right there, you can see the drawing as well. And we go back to this one, go back to live, share my MacBook again with all the streams. You can tweak your camera settings right here and change them, of course. So the fun thing about this is just another computer screen sharing the heart rate monitor. But in engineering, you could even screen share something like the inside of a machine or a camera placed in a really difficult place. And you just share the contents of that right here. So, and this is also the way how we can insert IoT devices or even drone camera feeds into this multi-conference. There's now one person wearing smart glasses, but we can add many more smart glasses as well. So this is how easy it is to do multi-conference with Gemvision with the highest quality. So, and now this brings this webinar to an end, and I'll put my friend away right here. And this is the end of the webinar. So this was the last topic, the multi-conference, and I really hope you like the things that we've shown to you, that it brings a lot of value to you. And I really want to thank you for being here these 30 minutes. And if you have more questions, which I can imagine, if you want to look up some more stuff, then of course there's always ways to contact us. So if you want to have some sales information, it's sales@Gemvision. For functional questions, it's support@Gemvision. And if you're in need of some technical support, you send a message to it@gemvision.io. On top of the fact that you can reach us by phone, all the contact info is on the website. And we have our support forms as well, obviously. And please don't forget to visit our academy, academy.gemvision.io. I really want to thank you so much and look forward to seeing you again on one of our webinars. Bye-bye.